Hey guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depend on where you are watching my video from. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you the way I cook my delicious stew. As you can see, these are the things I'm going to be using to cook my stew. Okay, as you can see, I have my fish, my tomatoes, my meat already prepared, fried and prepared is there. This is my tin tomatoes, my groundnut oil. This is my meat sauce. I have my onions. I also have my ingredients like curry, maggi, salt. You can see it. These are the things I'm going to be using to cook my stew. So guys, stay tuned and watch to the ending. Okay guys, so let's start cooking. So guys, I'm just going to add my groundnut oil. As you can see, this is my groundnut oil. Okay guys. So we are going to add our onions. This is my onions. This is my tin tomatoes. Okay guys. So I'm going to be adding my tomatoes. Okay guys. This is my tomatoes. So I just added my tomatoes already. As you can see, this is my tomatoes. And I just stir it together. We will allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. Okay, so stay tuned guys and see to the ending of it. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, this is it. So we are just going to add our salt and maggi to taste. Okay, so I'm just going to add my maggi. Okay, I will add my salt to taste. This is my salt. Okay, so I also add my curry. So this is it. Just add a little of it. Okay guys, so this is it. So we wait for like 5 minutes more for it to cook before we add our meat. Okay guys, so let's stay and watch to the ending. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, this is it. Okay guys, so guys, we are just going to add our meat. Okay, so this is it. I'm just going to add the meat. Oh no guys, I'm just going to add a little of the sauce, the meat sauce. Is it? Add a little of it, then I stir it together. As you can see, this is delicious. Okay guys, so we leave it for it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, the way I said it before. So guys, stay tuned and see the ending of it. Okay guys, this is it. This is the outcome of it. As you can see, it's ready. This is my delicious stew. Come and join us to eat guys. You can see it. It's very yummy. Wow. Guys, how do you see my stew for today? Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for checking on me. Thank you for watching. God bless you. This is it. My stew is ready. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.